Hi guys, igama lami ngingu-Awonketsiku from uSthadi, ndisebenza under a-sales and marketing department. Namhlanje guys ngifuna sithethe ngale system intsha e-introduce-we e-traffic department yokubhala i-learners. Ngifuna sifokhasele kakhulu-ke kwi-struggles, izinto that you are struggling with okanye into owastrugglisa ngayo ngokuwa uyobhala wena. Abazidate lapho okanye kunzima ukufumana idate or understand uhlobo okubhalwe ngalo kwisite ukubhukisha or internet okanye questioning yabo xa ubhala or email material engaphelelanga. Ngicela umuntu akhomente into le yena astrugglisa kuyo, or you can WhatsApp me ku 0680 139 48580 uthi nje into ostrugglisa ngayo ndizozama ukukunceda. Ke guys, apha kwaSthadi si-offerisha i-lessons for learners, group classes nezo classes. I-classes zethu ziqala every Monday, so you have to register a week before so that uzokwazi uqala on Monday. Sifumaneka eMdantsane ngaseMakhiwane. If you need more information, you can WhatsApp me ku 0680 139 4858. Thank you guys.
Thank you, my beautiful sister. You are doing a great job. And they said they're at Mdantsane, that's Eastern Cape, Gqeberha now, as they call it. Yeah, man, they're helping. You know, and I like the fact that she go online and speak direct with people. And she is saying to people, if maybe you have material which is esingaphelelanga, that's Xhosa. If you have material which is not complete, there are few questions or few root signs which are missing, you can contact her, or you can comment, or if you're struggling with a date, or if you're struggling with the way they're asking questions, you can contact her. She is willing to help you with that. And it's something which is rare these days, man, to see somebody going out of their way to ask questions so that they can help you with whatever that you're struggling with. It shows dedication, it shows love, it shows that she's here to serve, and she is open for questions, and she's always willing to help. You know, I appreciate people who take their job serious. I appreciate people who will go out of their way so that they can help those who desperately need help, you know. That's one of those examples that when I see videos like this, I can easily say, you know what, I have to give credit because they're doing a great job, you know what I'm saying? And also for her to give her numbers there, obviously that's her work numbers. That's the number that she has on the site. According to my understanding, when we are, you know, giving numbers publicly just like that, we always have a separate number that when it rings the phone. You don't have any problem. When you receive WhatsApps, you receive WhatsApps. Even your partner knows that when that phone, there is a lot of WhatsApps, is because of this person is using that phone to communicate, you know, with, you know, other people, with students, with people who do have questions. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just saying that to those who might hear her, you know, giving the numbers publicly, not knowing what was actually the reason. And obviously we know that there are those who will take the numbers and start WhatsApping her and start sending stuff that we cannot even mention. Obviously, when you are online, you have to be mentally strong. You need to know that there are people who will send you crazy things, you know. You just have to know how you become professional and focus at your job and also serve people. So I'm saying this for those who will also do the same thing that she's doing, that don't be discouraged when you receive, you know, bad messages, or when you receive, you know, things that people are going to send you. Don't be discouraged. Focus on people who desperately need help, because of when you're working online, you have to serve. You are going to work with different people, you know. And I just wanted to make that video to show, you know, that they do have staff members who care about others. They do have staff members who will go out of their way so that they can serve, and obviously, if it happens that my beautiful baby girl, she wants to get some lessons and she come across somebody who is like her, who takes her time, down to earth, who respect people, who you can tell when somebody's a good listener by the way they speak. She think and she process everything. And that person will be a good teacher because they will pay attention and they will know exactly what to say to you so that that thing can be simplified. Whatever task that you are coming across can be, simplified, and you can easily pass your class without struggles. They're doing a great job, man. We have to give credit, and I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. Thank you.